Hey guys, it's IT back here with another video, and yeah, basically I wanted to do this video because I got really pissed off when I see other people in abroad buying computer parts for super cheap prices, and in India it's like damn expensive. Like price never drops here, and I know other countries have it worse. But so if you're an Indian and you wanted to build a somewhat budget PC, like for not budget PC, like suppose for 70,000 rupees, and but you could never get the parts for 70,000 rupees here like you would get in US or something like that. Because if you build a 70,000 rupee computer there you can get like a GTX 980 with a 6600K and all that. Here you can't even get that because its price is like super expensive, and it's so stupid. I just went to a website and saw on Amazon or the IT Depot the 4690K is more expensive than the 6600K. How can Haswell be more expensive than Skylake? The price doesn't even drop. So pissing off. And then on top of that, the graphics card prices never drop. If you want to buy a GTX 780 or 780 Ti, you go or used one. You can't even find used GTX 780s or 780 Ti's here. They are all like 40,000, 50,000. I don't know what is wrong with the pricing here of computer components in India and the sheer lack of the variety of computer components. Like you can't, there are no, fractal is nowhere to be seen here. Right? At least where I have tried to search. If you guys find it, put put it in the comments so I can go find it. Then you can't find any fractal thing. EVGA, it's like somewhat now only it's come to India, and this just sheer variety, nothing. Linus did that 48 terabyte NAS thing. That same case in Amazon is 25,000 for a case. It doesn't make any sense. People who are making computer PC parts, please make little bit more better budget stuff, because all the things are so damn expensive. Put in the comments below and think if you agree with me, or if you disagree, put that dislike button. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you feel sorry for me, subscribe to the channel. And sorry for all of us Indian gamers, then subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.